guys, we are here restoring a 1987 Kawasaki 550 jet ski. My dad and his brother got two jet skis back in the 90s, and right now we are working on restoring them. I'm about to start sanding this one so that we can paint it, and we will bring you along on the process. I think I'm done for tonight. My fingers are froze. So I guess we'll pick back up tomorrow and see how much more sanding we can get done.
Like this. Then what's he gonna do with it?
So also, once we get the jet ski painted, we are putting a HydroTurf mat in the back of it. And this video is not sponsored by HydroTurf, but HydroTurf, if you ever see this and want to sponsor any of our videos in the future, that would be pretty awesome. But this is water repellent mat that just goes in the bottom of the jet ski to protect your knees and just to make for a more comfortable, smooth ride. So those are our plans. So we're back with day 2 of working on the jet ski, and so I'm going to keep sanding on it a little bit and then use a heat gun to peel off the stickers and the decals on the side. So let's get to work. update. I took all of the stickers off that were right here, but a little bit of the fiberglass is poking through, so I don't know what we're gonna do about that. And then we've got to get the rest of the glue off of it so that it doesn't gum up the sander. And then I got this one off down here. I'm about to take Kawasaki off of the side of it and then eventually get to those numbers on the back. But this is a nice surprise. So this is the color that my uncle had it painted when he had it. But as you can see, over time it's faded into more of this teal color. But the more that I see this color, the more that I like it. So that's definitely a maybe as far as the paint job goes. And then I've got to take these numbers off here and then that sticker right there and then keep sanding. So we are well on our way to getting it restored. I think that's all for today. Got another project inside. We're sewing the top in a canvas tent. So I've got to get my sewing machine out and get ready to start working on that. And it's about 5:30, so it's probably all we'll get done on this today, because as soon as the sun sets, which it's starting to, it's gonna get really cold out here. But I don't know when the next time that I'll get to work on this jet ski. Hopefully soon. I'm going to off to college again for my last semester before I graduate. So, but whenever I do, I'll be sure to bring you guys along. And then hopefully when it gets warm, sometime in the spring, we'll be able to put this baby in the lake or river or wherever and go riding, and she'll be good as new. Have a fresh coat of paint, engine tune-up, and things will be going smoothly. So, I'll talk to you later.